November is here, and with it, we begin an important season of reflection and community. At the start of this month, we witness millions of Americans exercising their right to vote, a profound act of engagement in our democracy and in the practice of grace. This is one of the highest demonstrations of citizenship where each vote helps shape our nation's future. We also recognize the tireless dedication of election workers who work behind the scenes to ensure that every vote is counted and our democratic process remains strong, secure, and protected. To each of you, we say thank you. As we moved into the Thanksgiving season, we are reminded that gratitude lies at the heart of everything we do. It is the foundation of grace, and it is where we begin in all our endeavors. It started with a dream and a small book. Today, the message of grace has touched thousands of lives, spreading kindness, respect, and courage. We want to take this moment to thank each of you who have joined us on this journey to bring grace to the world. We are deeply grateful for the love and support of family, friends, colleagues, and supporters from around the globe. Your encouragement has helped shape who we are and uplifted our vision. For all of us at Lyceum Global, may November bring you a season full of love and gratitude. Thank you for being part of this community and helping us bring more light and grace to the world.